Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to convert the decimal number to binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers. Now guys, the decimal system is the most widely used number system as we have been using this in our daily life. Now guys, however, computers only understand binary. Binary, octal and hexadecimal number systems are closely related and we may require to convert the decimal numbers into these systems. So the decimal system is base 10 that we have been using, that is 10 symbols 0 up to 9 are used to represent a decimal number, and similarly binary is base 2 that is 0 and 1, octal is base 8 that is 0 up to 7, and hexadecimal is base 16 which means 0 to 9 and then A to F. So guys, we are going to see how we can convert this base 10 to base 2, base 8 and base 16 respectively using the built-in functions in the Python program. Now guys, the number with the prefix 0b is considered as binary, 0o is octal and 0x is considered as hexadecimal. So for example, as you can see, this number that is 60, which is a base 10 number which belongs to the decimal system, if we check what is the binary representation of this number, it is 0b and then triple times 1 and then double 0. Similarly, the octal representation is 0o and then 74, and then hexadecimal representation is 0x and then 3c. So guys, we are going to see how we can convert this number that is 60 into these representations using the Python program. So guys, let us move to the VS Code over here. So what we will be doing is, the very first thing is we are going to define the number. It is equal to 60 over here. We are going to take the same example in this case, that is the number 60 of the base 10. Now guys, we can simply have the print statement and then over here we can simply say binary representation. So we say binary representation is, and then open and close curly braces, and then guys followed by dot, and then we have something called as format, and then what we can do is simply we can provide the function that is bin. So as you can see, bin is a function that will help us in order to convert the base 10 number to a base 2 number that is a binary number. So over here inside this bin function we have to provide the variable that is number over here. So guys, this is a built-in function that is bin in order to convert the base 10 number that is the decimal system number to a binary number. Now guys, I'll just remove this F part over here so that we remove the error from the curly braces. Now guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code. So guys, as we can see, binary representation is 0b and then 4 times 1 and then 0. So guys, I'll just correct this over here. It is 4 times 1 and then 2 times 0. Now guys, similarly what we can do is we can also have the representations of the octal and the hexadecimal numbers. So I'll just copy and paste these lines of code over here once again, and then we can simply provide octal representation is, and then over here we can simply say hexadecimal representation is, and then instead of this binary function that is bin, we can simply use the octal function which is oct. So guys, this oct function, that is the oct function, will help us in order to convert the decimal number to the octal number over here, and then similarly we have the hex function over here, that is hex, in order to help us to convert the decimal number to the hexadecimal number. Now guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code once again so that we get all the representations. As you can see, we have already got the binary representation of the number 60. Then we have octal representation which is 0, O and then 74. That is what we were expecting over here, that is 0, O, 74. And then we have 0x3c as the hexadecimal representation, which is the correct representation over here for the decimal number that is 60. Now guys, similarly what we can do is we can provide the number 10 as well and see what are the binary, octal and hexadecimal representations of this decimal number that is 10. Let me just save this file now and try running this code. As you can see, we are getting the binary representation as 0b 1010, octal is 0o12, and then hexadecimal is 0x and then a. So guys, this is the way that we can easily convert the decimal system number into these representations that we have seen over here. So guys, please make sure that you practice on your own so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to find ASCII value of the character. So stay tuned.